What's up you guys, Joseph here. I'm super pumped about today's video because we're going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing and how to set up an Amazon account so that you can start generating links for products that people want to buy from you every single day. Before we get started, let me touch on exactly what Amazon affiliate marketing is and how it works. For example, you guys know I'm a car enthusiast, and let's say I bought this Lamborghini and did a review on this car and showed you all about this car, and you guys happen to like this car and want to buy one for a family member or yourself or anybody in your life. I can say that there's a link in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out to this exact product on Amazon. Once you scroll down and click on the link for this red Lamborghini and go to Amazon's official website, put the item in your cart and check out. As soon as you check out, I get a small commission because you use my link to buy this product. So that is exactly what Amazon affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. I'm going to show you guys how to set up an account with Amazon so that you can start generating links for products like this Lambo and start promoting them on anywhere you'd like. It could be Facebook, your personal website, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, wherever you guys have a large audience. Start promoting products, and yeah, that's how people generate tons and tons of money every single month, by building a backlog of videos and just constantly putting items that people want to buy from them and putting those links so that when they click through, the creator will get a small commission from that purchase. But without further ado, let's jump over to my computer and I'll show you guys exactly how to set up a Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so now that we're on my computer, all you're going to do is type in Amazon affiliate. And it'll be the first link that pops up right here. Okay, so once you land on the Amazon Associates homepage, you're going to want to click on sign up right here in the middle of the page. The only requirement is that you have an Amazon account. That could be an Amazon Prime account, and you'll log into that on the Amazon Associates account. So that's what I'll do right here. Don't want to save my password. Okay, so this is the first screen that you see when you first log in. So they have the address that you have linked with your Amazon account already populated in there. If there's a different address that you want to use, you simply click on select the different address, fill out the information there, and this is strictly so that they know where to send your affiliate checks to. As you can see at the bottom, it says who's the main contact for this account. It says the payee is listed above, so I will click next. Okay, now it's asking where will you be promoting these Amazon products. For me specifically, it's going to be here on YouTube. For you, it could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you choose to market these things. So what I'm going to do is go to my YouTube page and grab my URL real quick. Copy link. And I'll paste that right there. So you could add as many as you'd like if you have a personal website or anywhere else. I'm going to keep just the YouTube link for now, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. No, it's not strictly for children under 13. Okay, so now you're going to go through and fill out this application. It's pretty straightforward. The good thing about this process is that you don't have to wait for approval or anything like that. As soon as you're done filling it out, you have instant access to start generating links to as many products as you'd like. So let's continue. So now it's asking for a store ID. I'll go ahead and stick with this one. I'll add an extra 5 because I think I already set this up, but I want to show you guys how this is done. Let's see. I make YouTube vids. Primary topic of my YouTube channel. I'll just put other. You can go through and select exactly which one applies to you, whether you're a gaming channel, business, computer software, doesn't really matter. The next question is asking what kind of items you intend on selling. So I'll go ahead and say electronics, sports, and outdoors. And then it says what type of website. Then here it says what type are your websites or mobile apps. And then I will say it's a niche website. And then it's asking, how do you drive traffic to your website? I'll go ahead and say by displaying advertisements through the YouTube AdSense program. Similar thing, I'll go ahead and select on by displaying advertising. How do you usually build links? I'll go ahead and say other. select the amount of people that your website receives every month. And then it's asking, why are you applying to the Amazon affiliate program? I'm going to say to monetize my site. How did you hear about us? I'll just say word of mouth. Then you have to type in the text that you see. And then at the very bottom you have to agree to the terms and conditions of the Amazon affiliate program. Once you hit finish, if you can put in the right words, hit finish. Congratulations. So now here's my unique ID, and you can either set up your tax information right now or you can do that later. Let's do later so that I can show you guys how to generate a link for this exact vehicle. So I'll click later. So now I'm in the Amazon Associates homepage, and what I'm going to do is go down here and search for an item. I'll type in did not spell that correctly. And voila. For example, I'll pick this car. So all I do is click on this get link button right here. And you can get the links in different forms, HTML. I like the plain text, so I'll click on text only. Scroll down and then short link. And here's a link to this exact product. So now that I have the link, all I have to do is display this link wherever I'd like. So for example, if I was doing a video about this link, I would say, guys, there's a link in the description box below to this exact product. If you guys want one, go ahead and check it out. And let me show you guys what happens when I paste that link. It takes me to that exact car. Now, bear in mind, this is an Aventador, this is a Huracan. This is just an example. But yeah, so now if somebody were to click the link in my description box below and go ahead and purchase this car through Amazon, I would get a small commission just for that person buying the product using my link. So now it kind of opens up the broader picture where if you have a big audience and you're doing multiple videos a week and constantly putting products on there, it's kind of easy to see how you can start building that residual income. Because all you have to do is make this video one time and upload it to YouTube, and for years and years to come, people have the potential to go on your video, click the link, purchase through, and then you get a small commission without doing anything else other than uploading that initial video. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, as I'd greatly appreciate that. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider doing so. It's free to you and would make a huge difference for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll check you guys out in the next video.